Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge in your computer, okay? So when you search for Microsoft Edge, let's search for add and removed. Okay, here, just simply click the best match and just go to apps, okay? Then go to installed apps. So when you search for Microsoft Edge here in the application, once you click these three dots here, you can just directly uninstall this Microsoft Edge in the settings because it's completely grayed out. And now I'll be teaching you how to completely uninstall, okay? So first is you need to be in your Windows Explorer, and let me just close this. Okay, so you need to locate your this PC and then click on Acer and then go to Program Files times 86. Click on that and then here you need to go to Microsoft and then go to Edge, either Edge or Edge Core. Click on that again and then go to Application and then it has this code number here. So if in case you have another code, don't worry because it's just similar, okay? Just click that and then look for installer and then here just have to do one click and then just search for CMD to open command prompt. Click on enter and this new window will appear. Here you need to type for the command. So I'll just simply paste the command in my description box below. Just have to Control A to select all and Control C to copy and then just minimize this and here you need to Control V to paste. Okay? Then paste anyway. Then here, once you click on enter, the Microsoft Edge will be completely uninstalled in your computer. Okay? So after that, you just have to restart your machine and you will not see your Microsoft Edge anymore. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.